Are you tired of traditional investing leaving you feeling empty, longing for a greater purpose? What if I told you there's a way to not only grow your wealth, but also leave a positive impact on the world? Welcome to the world of impact investing, where making money meets making a difference. Join me as we explore the rise of impact investing and uncover how you can profit while creating meaningful change. It's time to revolutionize the way we invest and pave the path towards a brighter future for all. Buckle up, because this journey is going to be both profitable and profoundly impactful. What is impact investing? Ever pondered how your investments could wield power beyond mere financial gain? Introducing impact investing, a trailblazing approach that not only boosts your bank account, but also ignites social and environmental change. Your money isn't just a tool for profit, but a force for good. Impact investors are the modern-day superheroes of finance, strategically channeling their funds into ventures that tackle the planet's most daunting issues. In this dynamic arena, every dollar isn't just currency, it's a catalyst for transformation. From combating poverty and inequality to championing climate resilience and healthcare accessibility, impact investing serves as a lifeline for a world in need. With impact investing, you're not just a passive investor, you're a catalyst for positive change. The elements of impact investing. In the dynamic realm of impact investing, a transformative approach is reshaping the landscape of financial endeavors. It's not just about making profits, it's about catalyzing positive change while reaping financial rewards. Impact investing is characterized by several key elements that distinguish it from traditional investment approaches. Here's what sets impact investing apart. 1. Purposeful intent. Impact investing is fueled by purpose. Investors go on a journey with a clear mission: to drive social or environmental progress alongside financial gains. It's a commitment to making a tangible difference in the world. You're not just investing in companies, you're investing in a better tomorrow. Impact investing isn't bound by the traditional profit-centric approach. It's a journey of purpose and passion. 2. Tangible outcomes. Impact investments aren't vague promises. They're measurable commitments to real change. Investors define precise objectives and track their impact using transparent metrics. From reducing carbon footprints to enhancing educational access or fostering job creation in marginalized areas, the impact is quantifiable and accountable. Imagine the thrill of seeing your investments spark tangible change, whether it's the joy of knowing you've helped a community gain access to education or the satisfaction of reducing carbon emissions. With impact investing, every dollar you invest has the power to create a ripple effect of positive transformation. 3. Balancing risk and reward. Like any investment, impact ventures involve assessing risks and rewards. Investors anticipate financial returns while ensuring their capital contributes to positive societal shifts. The risk-reward spectrum varies, offering opportunities from slightly below market rates to competitive returns, depending on the specific investment. Impact investing isn't just about warm fuzzies. It's about striking that perfect balance between risk and reward. You're not sacrificing financial returns for the sake of social or environmental impact. You're discovering opportunities where both thrive harmoniously. Impact investing transcends mere financial transactions. It's a powerful force for shaping a brighter, more sustainable future. Why does impact investing matter? Impact investing isn't just another fleeting fad. It's a global movement gathering unprecedented steam. But why should you care? Here's why it matters. 1. Creating momentum and market demand for positive change. Imagine a world where every dollar invested carries the promise of not just financial returns, but also the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. This isn't a utopian dream, but the thrilling reality of impact investing. Impact investing, a burgeoning force in finance, isn't just about making money. It's about making a meaningful difference. It directs capital towards ventures dedicated to sustainable agriculture, renewable energy, conservation, microfinance, and essential services like healthcare and education. As the appetite for impact investment swells, so too does the array of opportunities. We're witnessing a seismic shift as investors increasingly demand not just profits, but purpose-driven returns. And it's not just about throwing money at the issue. It's about crafting lasting solutions. In this landscape, standards are rising, terminology is clarifying, and expertise is flourishing. The once nebulous realm of impact investing is becoming increasingly transparent and accessible. But what truly sets impact investing apart is its ambition. It's not content with isolated victories. It's about catalyzing systemic change. By leveraging influence over industries and policies, impact investors are architects of a better tomorrow. 2. Aligning with values. Your money not only grows, but it also becomes a force for good in the world. Impact investing is the key to making this a reality. Instead of merely chasing profits, you can align your investments with your deepest values. Whether you're passionate about environmental sustainability, gender equality, or social justice, impact investing empowers you to make a tangible difference. While traditional investments might offer returns, impact investing offers something even more exhilarating: the chance to be a part of something bigger than yourself. It's not just about making money, it's about making a meaningful difference. Every dollar you invest becomes a catalyst for positive change. It's more than just financial returns. It's about creating a better future for generations to come. So why settle for traditional investments when you can invest with purpose and passion? 3. Financial returns. Forget the old adage that giving back means sacrificing profits. In a groundbreaking revelation, the latest findings from the Responsible Investment Association of Australia, RIAA, have left jaws dropping. A staggering 92% of impact investors saw their financial dreams realized or surpassed. Simultaneously, an overwhelming 93% experienced impact levels that exceeded their wildest expectations. Imagine having your cake and eating it too. With impact investing as a cornerstone of your investment strategy, you're not only driving positive change, but also supercharging your own financial future. It's not just about doing good. It's about doing good while doing well. How does impact investing work? Think of impact investing as a powerful force, merging financial gains with societal and environmental benefits. It's not just about making money. It's about making a difference. Impact investors actively seek out companies, funds, and projects that not only promise solid financial returns, but also contribute positively to our world. Imagine pouring your resources into ventures that not only fill your pockets, but also nurture our planet and communities. This is the essence of impact investing, where profit meets purpose. It's not just about where you invest, but how. Impact investors aren't passive bystanders, they're catalysts for change. They roll up their sleeves and dive deep into the companies they support, wielding their influence to push for social and environmental progress. Now, let's talk strategy. The impact of your investments depends on the companies you choose and the stage they're in. By backing early-stage innovators, you're planting seeds of change and fostering groundbreaking ideas. And don't underestimate the power of investing in developing nations. There, your capital can be a lifeline, fueling progress where resources are scarce. Gone are the days when profit came at the expense of our communities and environment. The tide is turning, and investors are leading the charge towards a more ethical and sustainable future. This is the era of impact investing and ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria. It's not just about chasing returns anymore. It's about investing in companies and projects that are making a positive impact on the world. In a world where every decision counts, your investment choices matter more than ever. Impact investing offers a unique opportunity to align your financial interests with your values, allowing you to support causes you believe in while still achieving your financial goals. The power to make a profit while positively shaping our world is within reach. By investing in companies that prioritize social and environmental impact, we not only secure financial returns, but also contribute to a brighter future for generations to come. Join the movement of impact investors today and pave the way for a more sustainable and prosperous tomorrow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more empowering content on how you can make a difference while making money. Thank you for watching.